We did it already, and we'll do it again. After many months, I'm talking about VeChain, VET. I'm talking about price prediction for the rest of 2021. I'm talking about valuation that you probably never thought of. And I'm talking about jumping right into the charts. We have gathered around VeChain versus dollar on a weekly chart. Every candle, 1 week. When I said we did it already and we will do it again, I was referring to our past videos about VeChain. We had a few of those. Let me link you the last one. And it was in 2020, but this is 2021. We already did the price prediction for 2021 and 2020. If you haven't, be absolutely sure to check out 2021 price prediction, in which we gave you the target of 9 cents. And yes, as always, as expected, we overshoot the target. It doesn't matter, this was a bonus for you. That bonus was very large. We jumped all the way to 26 cents. But the core and firm facts are the facts. I was pretty sure about 9 cents, 26 cents, something as a gift. Now, since we made that price prediction somewhere in those regions, and I think that the exact spot was somewhere around 1 cent, I think we're pretty good. Better that we overshoot the target than never make to it. Today we will try to do the same thing, and from to that standpoint try to price project into the future and make a new prediction. Maybe this will become interesting. One more time, if you haven't watched our previous videos, our price prediction, do that right now, or better after you watch this video. Now let me start by saying that our bull trend was never in jeopardy, because although at some point we lost, by we I mean VeChain investors, 79%, so almost 80%, a big crash. But as I said, nothing was broken, and I'm referring to this trend line. The absolute and the most important trend line in VeChain's history. Since we started in March of 2020, this fierce bull run, at the beginning of this year, we've made a hard support on this trend line, and by bottoming that 80% at around 5 cents, we once more just touched it, confirm it as a hard support. Now of course, you are asking yourself, is it possible that we retest this one more time? And I say, oh yes it is. This region, those red candles, could go lower to some extent, touch this support. But as long as we are above it, you shouldn't be fearful. Bull market is still on. Structure is pretty clear. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And we are on a journey to what? Higher high. Now, what makes me bullish about all of this narrative, including VeChain? Why I'm not fearful that this is a fake out? Because of moving averages. 13, for example, the very fast one. What was he doing in this area? Were you right? He was holding the price all the way till our peak at 26 cents. Now, right now, we are above it. Do know this. This is very important stuff. Let me zoom in. The price is above 13. As long as that is the case, we are on a journey to our all-time highs. Now 13 is not the most important one. There are several ones, big ones like 21, still making a support, like 34, absolutely. And check this one out, 55. Now for you to see the importance of 55, let me remove the previous ones. And here in the circle you are seeing the biggest importance. Why the biggest? Can we say that after we touch 55, to some extent, we are on our journey to all-time highs? I would say that. It happened here, and it happened here. 50 was our hard floor. So, for those of you that are fearful about the VeChain's future, fear not. Technical analysis is showing us the way. And it's a clear path. It's a good way. I don't wanna make this video too long. So right now, after we establish the bullishness of all of it, I think we did a deeper analysis of all of this happening in VeChain in our previous videos last year, so why not, once again, I'm asking you, check it out. Price prediction, here we come. After removing all of this and focusing just on one thing, and I believe the thing that is the most important right now, this area from our, let's say, recent crash, from the levels of, as I said, 26 cents to the levels of 5 cents. Ooh, a big crash. But that big crash is giving us something that I can use my tool, my Fibonacci retracement tool, and reverse it and make it the Fibonacci extensions. What am I talking about? My subscribers know this. I'm talking about connecting this high to this low and getting the exact locations that I'm here for. First of all, I want you to notice one thing. Where this big red candle found its support, right on the 23.6% retracement at 10 cents. This is very bullish. We retested that support, and now we could be in for some journey to all-time highs. After we go and conquer the all-time highs, it could be a few weeks, we are going on a path never seen on VeChain. Now you, my friend, are gonna witness VeChain at 40 cents, because that is the extension of 161.8. You, my fellow investor, are gonna see VeChain at 61 cents not so long after that, at 261.8% retracement. Made extension. Now if that's not enough for you, how about 82 cents and 361.8? And my favorite, the one I was always proclaiming to be the top, 423.6% at 96 cents. Voila! I give you 96 cents, 2021. It's doable, my friends. It's pretty doable. We got it, what about 3-4 months? It's doable. From 11 to 96 in 4 months, I say, why not? Now, remember what happened when I gave you the target of 9 cents. We overshoot it pretty hard. So, mark my words, I think 96 cents is a firm support, is a target that will be reached, but will be overshoot. But I never discussed the levels of human FOMO enthusiasm after we surpass 96 cents. Those are the levels that, of course, in my opinion, will surpass $1. But let's leave it like this. Let's not go too distant into the future. This is a channel of superior realism, as I like to call it. Charts are showing us the way, and in the end, you know that it all depends on the Big Daddy. So let's cheer for him. That way you are cheering for VeChain. If you like this video, show me. I like those thumbs up. If you think that you could find some value in the future of this channel, subscribe to the channel, see what's next. If you want to share it with someone, please do that. And if you want to watch this video that I'm showing to you right now, I think it could be a valuable decision. Until the next time, my friend, VeChain to the moon.